Boys, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Ready for some Folsom Prison Blues?
Ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You know, I went to prison once.
Really?
I did.
For what?
Arson.
Arson. Arson?
Arson around.
Whoa! Hey!
Oh, I hear that train a-comin', it's rolling around the bends. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Oh, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, time keeps dragging on. Well, that train keeps moving down on the San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, lying my head ain't high. Oh, alright! Yeah! Woo! Well, I bet this rich folks seated in a fancy dining car, probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Oh, I know I had it coming, I know I can't be free, but those people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. Oh, alright. Well, if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, bet I'd move it on a little further down the line. Oh, far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.
You look like an arsonist. Dragon.
Yo, Dad!
Yo, bro.
It's crack.
Didn't see you there.
Didn't see you there. Cheers for watching our cover of Reminisce. Our cover of Folsom Prison Blues.
Yes.
It was fun doing it, and yeah.
Indeed.
We're-
Reminisce, of course, is our new single. It's coming out on the 7th of February.
Don't forget,
Original music.
Yeah, this competition's still going on with it, so you know, check that out.
There'll be a link below to the competition.
Yeah, we're currently just we're getting ready for Crackdown, our own way event around Smithdown in Liverpool,
In England.
Yep. So if you're around on this Friday, the 24th.
Indeed.
Yeah, get down to it because it's going to be great. 3 bands, £3 in. Starts at 7:30, and you know we're gonna have a big after session ours. It's going to be great.
Indeed.
Aye.
And yeah, as you can see, since the filming of the Folsom Prison Blues video, a lot of both of our hair's falling out
Yep.
due to the stress of YouTube success. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell.
Indeed.
All the rest of it.
Bye, Schulz.